it is used in each and every mechanical unit. Air compressor is the minimum basic need for any mechanical unit for the compressed air which is need to be produced and all. And we are using solar cells for the solar power which we needed, and we are using two types of solar cells. One is silicon cells and the other is germanium cells. Here in this particular project we are using only solar cells because it's like we don't find germanium cells that is manufactured in India and all. So that we are using silicon cells, and we are using around 16 panels for this whole setup of the air compressor.
And air compressor is a basic device which is to be used in industry. So when air compressor, for the air compressor there are two types of air compressor, that is positive displacement and dynamic displacement. In positive displacement we come across reciprocating, rotary, and dynamic we come across centrifugal and axial. Generally in India reciprocating air compressors are basically used, and the reciprocating air compressors require AC power. That is, if for example if we take 1 HP motor requires around 746 watts of energy. 746 watts of energy, this is not enough to run a 1 HP motor, because there is no manufacturing company which can produce only 100% efficient 1 HP motor. So the efficiency is around 60 to 70%. So we need to take 1.2 kilowatts of energy. So for calculating the 1.2 kilowatts of energy, by using conventional energy, we will be charging around rupees 34,342 per year, which is approximately around 35,000. So by using solar power, that is, solar power is now available in India is rupees 85 per watt. So for 1.2 kilowatts, you will be charging around 1,02,000. But this solar power gives only the DC power. So the DC power should be converted into the AC power. That the AC power is done by inverter.
Here we can see the component of solar power air compressor. The first component is solar photovoltaic system. This is the solar panel. And the second component is the solar charge controller. The work of solar charge controller is to control the electricity which is given to the compressor. And the third component is battery backup or battery bank. The battery backup or battery bank is battery backup store the energy which is provided by the solar panel. And the fourth component is the inverter, which converts the DC power which is coming from the solar panel into the AC current. And the last one is the air compression.
Air compression. Now, by coming to the panels and the complete cost of battery power and inverter, it's cost around 1,40,000. But 1,40,000 can be regained by not paying the electricity bill, that is 34,342 per year, in just 4 years, 4.07 years. So the net savings for the industry will be around for 20.93 years, because 20 to 25 years there is no maintenance cost for the solar panels. So by subtracting this 4.07 years, that is payback period, then you will be getting around 20.93 years. You no need to pay rupees 34,342. So you will be saving around 7,18,794 rupees per 20.93 years. So the applications of this solar power air compressor is, this can be useful in various remote areas, such as while in India we'll import gas and fuel. So while pumping the fuel from pipelines, there will be a pressure drop. So